Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a cinematic looking video in Wondershare Filmora. First, just have a look at this video, then I'll show you how to create this video in Wondershare Filmora. Now let me show you how we can create this video in Wondershare Filmora. Right over here on the timeline you can see I have 3 videos which I'll transform into a cinematic looking video. For that we need to have music brought into our timeline. So simply click over here and this is the music that I'm gonna match up with the media in Wondershare Filmora. You might have seen in a cinematic video, the progress of the video actually match up with the beats in the music. This is what we'll do initially in our video. So let's locate the beats of our music first. So simply right click over here and click on beat detection. It will take some time and locate the beats in the music. So here we are done with it. Now simply hold it and bring it to your timeline, and there we are. You can see these red markers actually shows the beats in the music. First let me split the video right at the playhead. Now select the first part and go into the effects and let's choose cinematic effect. So this is the effect that I'm gonna apply to this first part of the clip. Simply hold it and drag it to the first part. Now this will look like this. Then at the first beat point, I'm gonna make another cut and let me apply this movie 3 effect to this part. Next, let's delete the remaining part. Now you can see at every cut there is a sudden transition from one part to another part, and that looks really creative. So at next beat I'm gonna make one more cut like this, and let me delete this second part. And as we move ahead I'm gonna click on this next beat and I'm gonna split it like I did for the previous videos. Delete this and let me show you how this looks, and let me copy these videos a few more times on the timeline. So simply click copy and paste it over here, match it up. Similarly copy this second video as well, paste it, and let me apply this cinematic flare effects to the video. And let's apply this cinematic flares to this part of the video, and just look at this. Let me bring in a few more videos. So I've brought in one more video and I'm gonna cut it right at the beat over here, delete the rest of the part, and let me bring in one more video and let's repeat the previous operation. Right click, split it, delete. Now just look at this. Isn't it cool? And you can actually enhance the cinematic looks by applying different effects as we did before. So simply type over here cinematic and choose the option that suits best. And that's it for today's video. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.